Hello, young adventurers. My name is Geo the Explorer, and today we're going on a super exciting journey to discover what geography is. Geography is like a big treasure map that helps us understand our amazing planet Earth and everything on it. It's the study of places, people, and how the world works. Think of it as learning about mountains, rivers, cities, and even why the sky is blue. But wait, there's more. Geography also tells us how Earth was made and how it keeps spinning and changing every day. First things first, geography comes from two old words that mean Earth and to write or describe. So it's all about describing our Earth. Geographers are like Earth's best friends. They ask questions like, where are things? Why are they there? And how do they connect to each other? For example, physical geography is about nature's wonders, like oceans, forests, and volcanoes. Why is the Sahara Desert so sandy and hot? That's physical geography. Human geography is about us people, where we live, how we build cities, and even what games kids play in different countries. Did you know some kids in Japan play with kites shaped like dragons? Environmental geography mixes both, like how we take care of Earth so it stays healthy for animals and plants. Geography helps us be smart travelers. Imagine planning a trip to a snowy mountain or a sunny beach. Geography tells you what to pack.